All right. So now you've made it through all the instructional videos. And our final point is to talk about where do you go for more help now? Well, the first thing I want you to know is that your best person to answer technical problems, if you're having trouble with the website, if you're having questions about what to submit, what format something should be in, your first person to get in touch with should be Ben Reeder in the graduate school. So his address is reeder.18 at osu.edu, and on the slide you also have his telephone number. So I highly recommend getting in touch with Ben if it comes to some sort of technical guideline or question about the actual submission process or the application process. Beyond this webinar series, there are resources on UCAT's website. So that's, like I mentioned earlier, there are examples for teaching portfolios, specifically GATA teaching portfolios that are available on our website. Those can be found by following that first link under University Center for the Advancement of Teaching. And then we also offer a special variety of our 30-minute of our teaching portfolio consultation in 30-minute increments just for GATA. So those you can schedule yourself. Go to ucat.osu.edu/GATA, and I'll actually walk you through how to do that in a moment here. And you can pick what time works for your schedule. We have appointments available starting Monday, January 22nd, and going all the way up to the Friday before the submission deadline. Okay? So there are further explanations of that consultation process on that website. Before I go to that website, I do want to also point out that the Writing Center has wonderful trained staff who can help you go through the actual writing of your teaching statement, of your teaching portfolio. If you want feedback on those, it's wonderful, well-educated critical readers, and they're a wonderful resource. So let's take a look for a second here at how it works to go to this GATA website. So this is what our GATA website looks like. And as you can see, we had 2 in-person workshops, and the dates for those have passed. But you're watching this webinar, so you're getting the same information that I presented at that presentation, or refreshing what you learned at that. And then we have some more details about the teaching portfolio website, the consultation process. How that works is for a face-to-face or an electronic consultation, you send in a draft version of your portfolio materials 24 hours in advance to ucat@osu.edu. Okay? Like it says right here. Once you sign up for an appointment, you'll be prompted to send your materials to ucat@osu.edu. Subject line, GATA portfolio draft. Okay? So what you're going to want to do is to make an appointment with us. You can come down here, sign-ups for face-to-face appointments. For this year, it'll be January 22nd to February 16th, Monday through Friday. Times will vary. And you click to review the consultation process. We do ask that you read through this information. You can sign up for one 30-minute appointment. Once that appointment has ended, you may sign up for a second or third or fourth appointment. We just don't let you book, all the appointment slots all in advance. We figured that one out already. Okay. So what you do is there's a final link here at the bottom. Do you see where down here, sign up through Sign Up Genius? You click that, and now you have access to the actual calendar where you will choose from the appointments available. All right. So that's how you sign up for a 30-minute consult with UCAT. If you have any questions about that, you can always email ucat@osu.edu. All right. So thanks so much for watching. Good luck, everyone, and hope to see you soon.